Hi, so welcome to the second part of our introduction to Java chapter 1. So last class we already seen how we do the hello world, and the hello world is just relying on system.out, and I'm going to show you more program this time. So you may see that we can actually print out not just the hello world, we can also just print out the message inside a quote. The sum is, and then we can use the plus sign. This plus sign has the name. The name of it's called concatenation. So this is a concatenation operation. So like if you want to concat, we call concat means if you want to put numbers in next to it, we can just do plus. Like for example, we can just say the sum is plus, and then we're gonna say number 10, something like that, and the output should be 10. Now before we're gonna move on, I'm gonna show you with a new project. I'm gonna create a new project, and this project I want to show you. I'm gonna name it hello my name. So what I'm planning to do is I want to say hello. If your name is Smith, so it's gonna be hello Smith. If your name is John, it's gonna be hello John. So now I'm gonna just show you how to do that. First, I'm going to create a new class, and we say hello my name. Alright, so let's review. The most important thing is Java file name and class name must be the same. No spaces. Uppercase for the class name, first letter has to be uppercase. Now we're going to create a method. So method is just like a function, and we name it main, and the syntax is just always public static void main. Now public means it can share and it can be seen outside of the program anywhere. Same, the methods can be seen because it's public outside of the class anywhere. We're gonna get into details about that later. For now, just know that when it's public, it can be seen anywhere. And this is the name of the method named main. Alright, so I'm going to say system.out.print. Last time I may just show you print. So if I do print hello, we already know this. When I hit run, I want you to take a look at cursor. The cursor will stay at the end when I do print. But if I change this to print ln, stand for print line. So let's run it. Look at the cursor. So when you do print line, it's just like you have hit an enter key at the end. It's going to move the cursor to a new line. So that's the difference. Now, like I said, this time I want to say hello plus, which is the concatenate. So this is a concatenation operator. So it's not like a sum or add in math. It just put the next, it could be a string. In Java, we have the data type we call string. Whenever you refer to string, you put in the quotations. It's just like word or statements. Like I can say, hello, John. You may see I have to put spaces when I print out. It's going to show spaces. And then John, like that. Hello, space, John. Now, if I want to say, I want to print out hello followed by your name. The name of the user is going to be entered from the standard console input. This is a console. So what it means is I want the user to type the name and it's going to say hello followed by the name that the user just typed in from the console. Let's see how do we do that. First, to read in something from console, you need to use a scanner. So the scanner need to be imported and it resides inside the package. This is the name of the package, java.util.scanner. Now this scanner is a class. Like I said, when you uppercase the first letter, that is a class name. So in order to read in an input from the keyboard through the console, when user enters something, you need to rely on scanner. Now, the next step is how to use scanner. We just import it to use. To use scanner, you need to create an object of scanner. I'm going to call it keyboard. Now this is just the name. It can be any name. Sometimes you may see people say input. Sometimes people say scanner or scan. I'm not sure. I think your textbook that you use for this class is going to call keyboard. You may refer to page 15 on the textbook. Now we're going to do new scanner system.in. So it's always like that. And this statement we call instantiation. It means the process of creating an instance, which is an instance named keyboard. Okay. Now we want it to read from the system input, so that's why we said system.in. Alright, so what we're going to do next is, since we're going to have to enter the name, and it's going to say hello, right? So I'm going to say hello plus keyboard dot next. You may see Eclipse that try to explain what's next. It's going to return the next complete token from this scanner. So a complete token is preceded and followed by input that matches the delimiter patterns. This method may block while waiting for input to scan. Now when you read this, you may say, I do not understand, because you're new. And I would blame you, because even experienced programmers sometimes just not like how confusing about the statement they say. Let me explain it. What I try to do is, it's going to read input from the user input. That enter, like say I enter something through the console here, it's going to read in. Alright, so let's test that. I'm going to run the program. Now it's waiting for you to input. I say John, hello John. So let's try again. I'm going to say Mary, hello Mary. So what it does is it read in and just put it next to the hello keywords here. That's what it do. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll show you something else next time. Questions? Concerns? email me at. All right, goodbye.